Yo, how are you doing? Mwakoro muhana atia. It's yet another day. It's Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025. Na nĩ mũthenya wakorwo na kĩeha kĩnene mũno. No mbere ya maũndũ macio mothe nyambe ngũhoe ngonyite ũgani gũkũ show-inĩ ya Kikuyu Gossip Club. Na ngwĩre welcome to the show of the day. Niĩ njĩtagwo Holy J kũrĩ mwena wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Today's show is all about remembering Raila Amolo Odinga. But before we get there, twina maundu maingi muno maria bado and ti maundu maingi, of course by the umuthi gutinakorwo na maundu maingi maria makorwo happen because of the sudden demise of former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga. Na before that umuthi ni kuma na candle lighting. Reke nyambe ndikanie na maundu maya mangi mothe nigetha tuingire hari remembering Raila Amolo Odinga. Iyo niyo story ya umuthi, the main story of the day. But before then, umuthi ni gwakorwo na candle lighting ya Shalkido. Shalkido is being laid to rest tomorrow in Roiro Matangi, in Roiro Kimbo Matangi. Na umuthi ni kuma Requiem Mass yake kuria kuretwo atia Cathedral ya Anglican ya Nairobi. Na pale hivyo tumeona event ili happen pale hivyo tumeiona vile ilikuwa. And on to other news ni ati bado Kimani Mbogua ikaonera kana Kimani Mbogua wa Citizen TV anakorwo Citizen TV anakorwo NTV onake mothe ni arikirie gututiga. Na ndona statement ire ikorirwo ikirekererio ni Mike Sonko kuria nenda-inĩ ciake cia X. Na yeye ndio akona the details about the demise of Kimani Mbogua. Arauga ati I am saddened to hear about the premature demise of former Citizen TV and NTV journalist Kimani Mbogua at the Mombasa Women Empowerment Mental Rescue Center. It is believed that that he may have taken his own life. I will issue a comprehensive statement once the police report is out. In the meantime, I extend my heartfelt condolences to Kimani's family, friends, and relatives. I pray that God provides them with strength and comfort during this challenging time. May God rest his soul in eternal peace. Ndona bado statement gukirikana ati ni alijitoa uhai na akaachilia statement aliacha barua pale hivyo akisema why he did that. We wish him not a quick recovery, but may his soul rest in peace. Umuthi ni twakorwo tukiurwo ni andu eri bururi-ini wa Kenya, andu tukoretwo tukimenya na andu mana contribute to the society na uthii wa na mbere wa bururi wa Kenya. And now we will keep updating you guys about the burial plans of Kimani Mbogua as time goes by. And now we get to the story of the day. Ni ati muthenya wa umuthi bururi wa Kenya ni ukorirwo ni kieha kimwe kinene muno. One of the biggest figures in Kenya politics, ugwitwo Raila Amolo Odinga, ni atutigire around the morning hours of 15th of October 2025 ekuria bururi-ini wa India. It is being said auma morning run kana morning walk na anyitwo ni inaitwa heart attack ama cardiac arrest ama inaitwa aje, hiyo kitu ya roho tu. And you know it has been tough for Kenyans today. Na onani gigeria gwika show ino nimejaribu manze vile naweza get information, as much information as I can about Raila Amolo Odinga. But kila time nikiangalia hizo stories gihaririria show ino, every time nikiangalia hizo stories nilikuwa nakuta manze pia mimi niko in that morning mood. Na bado ndakorwo ngiona ona news cia Citizen, and you can feel the mood is not right there. Warora news cia majority of the TV stations, nirona the mood is not right. Na I think that is the same here. And guys, take tuone what really happened and the life and times of Raila Amolo Odinga kidogo tu. We have other videos after this one.
Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shines daily on a mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston Town.
Mr. Raila Amolo, 80 years old, former Kenyan Prime Minister, was brought to our emergency medicine today morning at 8:20 a.m. with a history of sudden collapse during his morning walk at Sritariyam, which is an Ayurvedic hospital close to our place. Then itself, they had started CPR, that is cardiorespiratory resuscitation, and he was brought with a CPR, active CPR. His doctor and security were with him, and we continued CPR and did emergency intubation, that is putting a tube in the respiratory system, trachea, and continued CPR along with other resuscitative measures. Initially, there was no pulse or BP recordable, even palpation-wise. So after doing intubation with the continued CPR, we shifted the patient to our ICU with all the staff and the facilities. In ICU, after some time, we could get some rhythm. On the monitor, it showed ST elevation in the ECG leads, in the anterior leads. Plus, we could see regional wall motion abnormalities, that is reduced movement of one artery territory, that is LAD territory. There was hypokinesia. This means there is less movement in that area. So, after stabilizing him with some IV fluid and all, we just give him an injection, that is injection reticulace, for dissolving the clot if it is there in the coronary arteries. And we could see him with a significant edema of the right lower limb, right leg. When whatever information we got from the doctor was, he was a diabetic, hypertensive, chronic kidney disease patient. He had right lower limb DVT, for which he was put on IVC filter. And recently he had a thin subdural hematoma. Last Saturday when it was done, that was almost very thin. And the neurosurgeon was the doctor who was with us in the ICU and who followed the patient accompanied the patient from Sritariyam. So after discussing with him, we went ahead with the thrombolysis with the injection reticulace. Even we continued CPR, that is from 8 o'clock in Sritariyam till 9:52 in our ICU. With all other ACLS criteria, we continued CPR. In spite of our very sincere, very continued CPR and other measures, we couldn't make him survive. So we are very sorry to inform that he is no more with us, and our very sincere condolence and prayers for his family and for the Kenyan people. That's what happened.
Hello? Changing to camera battery. Camera battery is changing. हाँ 1% है चेंज करेगा जवाबादी सारा है हाँ चेंज कर दियो 3 seconds
naona all that has happened and all that is happening Korea foreign wa India regarding laying the body of Raila Amolo Odinga to rest and giving him the last respect. Ni undu bado kwina Kenya matari maretikia ha Chris ona Kenya arajuria kana inaweza kuwa kunaweza kuwa na uwezekano ni uongo, kunaweza kuwa na uwezekano tunadanganywa, because it is hard to believe some of these things unless we see. And ndarora video nona hau nginya the ambassador of Kenya to India agikira ihua haria the leaders aria makeyumiririe haria na ni unaona vile watu wamejitolea manzee, and this shows that Raila Amolo Odinga ari mutongoria wari na impact nene muno, not only in Kenya, not only in Africa, but in the whole world. Chris Donald umiriri ginya ya prime minister wa India akiuga ati he had a personal relationship with Raila Odinga, prime minister of India. Na aro maundu macio mothe ni urona clearly it's not only Kenya that has lost, the whole world has lost a leader. Hena bishadona na sijui kama watu wata appreciate huyo msee enough. Aretwo Morris Ogeta niwe at the last hours of Raila Odinga, yeye ndio alikuwa bodyguard wake na araye nake ginya kuu India, na it is so emotional at a time like this kuona ati auma nake rũcinĩ na thaa ici yeye ndio unaona hapo hivyo akishuka wa mwisho kwa hiyo gari yenye ilikuwa imebeba Raila Odinga. In the morning you'll be someone when he was alive, and in the evening you're besides him in a coffin. Na we niwe wihokeirwo mũndũ ũcio ku make sure efiti. Of course ndanakuwa nĩ ũndũ wa anything physical or outside, no ndĩrageria kwĩkĩra iratũ-inĩ cia mũndũ ũcio. It's tough. It is tough for very many people right now in the country. Na hena ndege ithire kũrĩa India. It's about to get to India in like I think an hour from now. Na nĩ ya atongoria hamwe na family arĩa mathire nĩgetha makorwo makĩoya mwĩrĩ wa Raila Odinga maũrehe Kenya, ũkũrehwo nĩ jeshi cia India. It is a somber mood right now in the country. It is a mood that the last time kwarĩ ũũ yarĩ hĩndĩ ya rĩrĩa tũigua ona ndirageria siwezi kuimagine the last time kulikuwa na huzuni kama hii ilikuwa lini, but it is a tough time for Kenyans. Ndona the plans, the mibango ĩrĩa ĩkĩrĩtwo nĩ ũndũ wa kũlay Raila Odinga to rest, na this is the program of the late Raila Odinga laying to rest. 1 a.m. Indian time nĩguo delegation ya andũ arĩa mauma gũkũ Kenya, the leaders arĩa mathiĩ India nĩguo megũkinya Mumbai. 2 a.m. Indian time nĩguo mekuma India coming to Kenya. Thaa 2:30 cia Kenya nĩguo megũkinya JKIA cia rũcinĩ. Thaa 4 mwĩrĩ ũkinyie kũrĩa Lee Funeral Home. Thaa 6 State House procession. Thaa 8 Parliament. Friday a public prayer service at the Nyayo Stadium, then procession to Kisumu and Bondo. Saturday the burial of Raila Odinga in Opodo Farm. Nimeona kurerekana ati will ine ya Raila araugite ati athikwo within 72 hours of his death. Na of course the last day of those 72 hours ni Saturday, na niguo I think egũkorwo akĩhurũkio. As at now these are not official plans. Ni vile tu nimeona kukiendelea huku hivi online. Of course the official plans will be released by the committee being chaired by the Kithure Kindiki. Na ndona ũmũthĩ nĩ marekereria their first meetings of the minute they had in a press, na makorwo makiuga atĩ gwa thaa ici nĩ ma delegate duties. Hena andũ mathire kũrĩa India, hena angĩ matigĩtwo gũkũ Kenya, hena angĩ me kamĩtĩ-inĩ ĩyo kũrĩa Karen, hena angĩ megũkorwo Bondo, wame delegate duties. And at a time like this I think as Kenyans we should be united for Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga for all those years akorwo siasa-inĩ, nĩ njũĩ hena kaũndũ tu angĩrendire, and this is the wish of every Kenyan, if I'm not wrong, is to have a united and developed Kenya. Unity is what we can achieve right now until he dies, until he is buried. So if only we can be united right now, ingĩkorwo ĩfiti mũno. William Ruto nĩ arekereirie statement ya gũtangatha gĩkuũ kĩa William Ruto, na auga atĩ the country will observe 7 days of mourning in honor of former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, na koguo ona federa ĩgũkorwo half mask for 7 days. I don't know if it will still be that way ginya rĩrĩa ekuhurũkio tondũ sasa unaona naziko on Saturday. But let's wait and see how it's going to be. Ndona nginya ngari cia anene arĩa makoragwo na gabendera zimeshatolewa hiyo bendera until that time is over. Na I mean hii imekutoa Kenya off guard. But anyway, let us have a look at one of the times iria nie ingiririkana Raila Amolo Odinga alifanya ile the riskiest thing on earth iria yatigire nginya andũ mamakĩte.
Raila Amolo Odinga, in full realization of the high calling, assumed the office of the People's President of the Republic of Kenya. So help me God.
In the shortest time possible, the son of the first Vice President of the Republic of Kenya took an oath of office as the People's President of Kenya in front of the crowd at this historic grounds. Flanked by Miguna Miguna, the self-styled NRM General, Ruaraka MP TJ Kajwang, and Siaya Senator James Orengo, Raila finally made true his threat of swearing in himself as an alternative president, this being the culmination of a series of meetings dubbed the People's Assemblies to bring change to the system of governance.
Today's step is one step towards doing away with electoral autocracy.
And like he has done before, the ODM leader, whose NASA colleagues were conspicuously absent this afternoon, reiterated what they had been agitating for since the August 8th election.
Wakenya wamechukua hatua ya kuondoa utawala ya kiimla na kidikteta.
Raila on this day seeming to give an excuse why he was participating in the administering of an oath so important to his supporters all by himself.
Kalonzo Musyoka hayuko, lakini Kalonzo ako na sisi. Kalonzo ataapishwa baadaye, sawa, kwa sababu ya maneno ambayo mtakuja kujua baadaye yale yalifanyika. Musalia Mudavadi na Moses Wetangula na Kalonzo Musyoka wako pamoja na sisi.
In a short speech, Raila laid out his agenda after exercising what he called his right and that which members of parliament who support.
That was one of the most daring times a politician can find himself. Na guess what? Raila akinyire hau akejiapisha. He was sworn in by Miguna Miguna. Thaishi akua matekuona na eye to eye na Miguna Miguna. But hideo Miguna Miguna niwe wamwapishire. Na there is no politician in Kenya who has dared to do that. Another iconic time kana another daring time area Raila Amolo Odinga anekora nĩ hĩndĩ baba endaga kũruta baba wao ũnene-inĩ wa kĩama kĩa Ford. Babake alikuwa arĩ na kĩama gĩtagwo Ford Kenya. Na rĩu kĩama kĩu nĩ akinyĩte handũ akona rĩu nĩ arabatara kũ inherit kĩama kĩu. Unaona? Na rĩu tondũ baba already nĩ aritaire. Already ameshazeeka na anaona I'm the one who should take over this party. Na ena mũcemanio Raila okire na mbungi hĩndĩ ĩyo tio makĩrĩ Gen Z ya hĩndĩ ĩyo. Sijui jua wakuwa Gen Z, sijui alikuwa aitwa Gen what. Magĩthiĩ mũcemanio-inĩ ũcio na wakakuwa wakibuu baba yake. To a point baba yake akamwambia bana, wathani ũyũ kana this leadership ĩno ndĩretha ndĩrĩa ndĩmĩethete kuma rĩrĩa Kenyatta aingĩrire. Na ndirĩ ndona no ndĩrang'ang'anĩra. Na rĩu tondũ we ndĩrona onawe nĩ ũrang'ang'anĩra mũno na nĩ ũrenda kũ-diminish efforts ciakwa, onawe wahota gũtũra ũtekuona ũtongoria ũcio. Na this is one of the times iria andũ monaga Raila onire kĩrumi gĩake gĩa gũkaga kuoya any seat in government, in top leadership, any elective seat. Tondũ kuma hau Raila arũgamire president, was it 1997? in 2007, in 2013, in 2017, in 2022, and he never won legally in any of those, but he still remains an icon in politics tondu narrative iria anakorwo akidrive in politics nĩ nyingĩ gũkĩra maybe maũndũ marĩa ũngĩona ekĩte moru eta opposition leader. Maũndũ ta devolution, he's the father of devolution. Chris Rekegure agĩkoti maybe efforts cia Raila Odinga they citũngire bado na the 8 provinces. Serikali ya majimbo ilikuja na ilichampioniwa sana na Raila. Sasa tungekuwa na ile nini ya Central, Western, Nyanza, Coast, you get. I'm trying to look at just some of the things we can remember about Raila Odinga. Of course, ni maũndũ maingĩ mũno marĩa tũngĩririkana ma Raila Amolo Odinga, but as at now, I think that we just mourn Raila Amolo Odinga, celebrate him for who he was, enjoy the moments, enjoy the speeches he ever made, na enjoy Kenyans will heal. Niĩ ndirĩ na maũndũ maingĩ ma kuga by the way wĩgiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. Hii ni story hata mimi sijui show nilikuwa niifanye aje. But anyway, God above everything. Ndikwaria ũhoro wa the late Raila Amolo Odinga rĩngĩ. I think tutaongelea kwa show ya kesho tondu by rũciũ I think nĩ gũkorwo na developments nyingĩ. Atakuwa ashaletwa akapelekwa kule hivyo bunge, State House, ameonwa na wase I'm sure from airport to leave funeral home. Nĩ gũkorwo na msafara ũmwe mũnene mũno wa andũ. Let's just wait and see, but in the meantime muthenya wa mothe bado William Ruto atanajia mihango ya gucakaya Raila Amolo Odinga kuria thingire-inĩ wa iregi aliweza kusign bills 8 bills into law, bills iria cirakoretwo cihitukitio kuria parliament na ni controversial bills Chris. Tondu haha let me read what he posted today at State House Nairobi. I had the honor of assenting to 8 bills passed by the National Assembly into law. The bills are the National Land Commission Amendment Bill 2023, Land Amendment Bill 2024, and Wildlife Conservation and Management Amendment Bill 2023, and the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Amendment Bill 2024. Others are National Police Service Commission Amendment Bill of 2024, Air Passenger Service Charge Amendment Bill of 2025, Virtual Asset Service Providers Bill 2025, and the Privatization Bill 2025. With my assent, these laws now become part of the status of the Republic of Kenya. Guys, didn't wega kurora what these bills entail, but I can assure you guys these are controversial bills. Na tigani oguo gukire msiba bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Niko sure sasa hizi bills zingekuwa zikiongelewa sana, but guys, let us wait until we lay Raila Amolo Odinga to rest. Then hizi vitu zingine najua zita fall into place. Guys, ni ndio maoni manyu megie ũhoro ũyũ wothe twarĩrĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Hihi, where did this story find you? Story ilikupata wapi? Niĩ reke ndĩmũhega story tũkĩrĩkia show ya ũmũthĩ. Niĩ nĩ ndirikanaga hĩndĩ ngĩheo story ya hĩndĩ ĩrĩa Kenyatta akuire. Mzee alikuwa anipea story kitambo ati arĩ kũrĩithia. Na hiyo time hata radio ilikuwaga moja, so yeye ndio alikuwa ameenda na radio. Ndio alikuwa ameenda kuchunga. Na rĩrĩa aiguire ati Kenyatta nĩ akua, atigire nginya ng'ombe rũru na mbũri agĩteng'era mtaa kwĩra Mzai. Rĩu tondũ rĩu nowe wĩna radio kũrĩa mtaa matikĩrĩ na radio na matirĩ informed. Gũkinya kuga Kenyatta nĩ akua, ahũrirwo mbara ya gĩthigithanio. Tondũ matingĩeciria atĩ Kenyatta no akue. Like it was so unimaginable. You couldn't imagine that Kenyatta no ahuruke. And niĩ ngĩrora ũhoro ũyũ wa Raila kũhurũka na equate to that time bana. Ũrĩa niĩ rũcinĩ nyitire thimũ na ndona na nikona manzeni kama nikani jaba nika refresh hivi mara ka 45 hadi nikazima wifi nikawasha tena, you get, nigetha hota gutaukirwo ni uhoro ucio. Na so it is a very tough time for Kenyans, but we can only say that may his soul rest in peace. Na wenye tuko less than that, wenye hata tuko Raila ametugonga hiyo miaka 4 times 3 times, no tuhoire Ngai atuhe miaka teyo. 80 years is no joke. Anyway guys, nie jitagwo Holy J kure mana wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook, and that's it for today. Ogeni follow no jigwe defiti ino itagwo show ya Kikuyu Gossip Club. Tumekaga every day from Monday to Friday kuma thaa 3:30 until late. Na tacemanie rucio same time same place, different discussions.